Okay, to send money to another person that is not your own account on GeegPay, these are the steps. So log into your GeegPay account. So I'll tap on my app and then I'll log in. Once you log in, your NGN wallet may be selected. If you want it to be in USD, tap on that NGN wallet section and select USD. And here I have selected USD in this case, okay? So now the next step is to send the money to another recipient. And how do I do that? I will tap on send money. Now this lists some bank accounts that I've added here. Okay, you can see Dorothy is not my name. Helen is not my name. Okay, so I'm going to select one of these accounts because I have already added them. If you don't know how to add a third-party account number, I have a video I will link in this description, as well as at the top of this video at the end. Go and watch it to learn how to add an account, third-party account, before sending it, before sending money to it. We are past that stage. They can watch it, and after that, watch this one to know how to send. So I'm going to select a different account number here on this list. So I'll go with Helen. And here it's telling me to type the amount of USD I want to send to her. You can select, if you have money in your NGN wallet, you can select it and then send, but you can still do that from here. Maybe you want to send from USD to NGN to Naira. It still works, because I'm in Nigeria. So I will tap here and insert the amount I want to send. All right, so here I'm sending $100, So here I will say something in the description. And after that, I'll tap on this check button of my Android, and then I'll tap on next. Then this is the details, and I will tap on send money. Then it's requesting my password. All right, it sends one-time password to my phone. So I will allow this and paste it. So I've pasted the one-time password. I tap on send money. And this lady in question has received this money right now. She has gotten the notification. So that's how we do it in easy steps,